What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I'm here with my buddy Adam. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Anna.
Yep. It's my son Adam. So we are out here right now hanging out with the D16 Y8 Turbo. My shop light decided to die because we had a little bit of a power outage, so my shop light decided to die for some reason. It's brand new, which sucks. I probably have leaves and shit all over my face. I got leaves and stuff all over my face probably because we were out front just hanging out and there's a ton of leaves falling out of the tree. So bear with me if I'm covered in pollen or leaves. So last thing I was doing was getting the new oil pan and oil pan gasket swapped out, and that went really well. So it started up and idled just fine. And now it's up here still on the jack stand. Adam and I are gonna work on getting that down, probably getting the car backed out and then cleaning up the garage a little bit. I'm really into the way that the eyelids look on these, so I did buy some, and I hope that they look okay, so I'm gonna be painting those and putting them on. Hopefully when my wife gets home with my laptop, I'll be able to do some more tuning and maybe go for a drive today. We'll see. Here we go. No, not just yet. Watch where this is sitting with that. Good job. Good job. All right. I think that's all we can do. Let's see if we can get it down. Just wait.
Okay.
Thanks. Careful of this.
Oh, nice.
Yes, wait. Let's do this together. Then we're gonna put it down. Ready? Nice and slow, okay? It's okay. Whoops.
Loud?
Yeah, that was loud. Yes, sir. Thanks, buddy. You ready to move it out? It's gonna be a little loud, but I got you. Hold on. Just wait for me, Kelly. Yeah, you can drive. We're not gonna shut the hood all the way. Let's grab the camera here. Yep. Yeah, you can drive. He wants to drive. Here, let me get in first and then you can get in. Now, hopefully it didn't erase the tune from the ECU because, like I said, my wife has my laptop. Yeah, just wait. Let me get in, buddy. Let me get in. Let me get in. Hold on 1 second. All right. Yes.
Okay.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Ready? It's gonna be a little loud, but you're okay. Ready? You're good. We're good. Yeah, just wait a second. All right, we're both gonna steer. Back it up enough to angle into the garage better. Thanks, bud. What you think?
Okay.
One more rev?
Yeah.
It's okay. I got you, buddy. You're all done? Yeah. He doesn't like the loud. All right, let's drop this down so the turbo timer doesn't kick in. it started. That was good.
They all done?
Yeah, we're all done for now.
They opened it all done.
All right. He's shaking. You shaking there, buddy?
No.
It's okay. All right, I'm actually gonna roll up the window in case we decide to wash it. Garage is a mess from all these projects, so yeah, we're gonna clean it. You know, got all my quarantine stuff in here, some diapers, and got all the stuff in here from all my projects and everything. It's greasy, it's nasty, so we're gonna get to cleaning and check in with you guys when it's done. What?
What?
Yeah.
And if I find a way to get it, when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings. I just wish you understood the gravity, but you got low sinners. I guess it's better just to live it and forget it than to live it and remember. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, now I'm so lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. North Pole, life so cold. Lukewarm love, should've took it to the stove. You were bad news, all kind, no pro. We grew apart fast. I guess we was reaping what we sowed in. I guess we was unequally yoked in. Guess if we was putting on the shoulder. Guess we should've tried to take it slow then. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be growing old. Now I can't believe that it was real. It was back in late December when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I hate how much I love it, oh I hate how I just love to catch a feeling. Yeah. And you told me that you understood the problem.